Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the TikTok message request sent problem, and you can send more messages after the user replies message. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, now go to Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search for TikTok, and now check update your TikTok app. My TikTok app already updated to the latest version. Okay, back to home screen, and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. See, connected. Okay, done. And now long tap your TikTok app and tap on I button. Scroll down, then tap on storage, tap on clear cache, and again tap on clear data, delete. Okay, back. Now tap on the permission option and first to last allow permission. First camera allow back, second contacts allow back, location allow back, microphone allow back, and music and audio allow back, and nearby devices, notifications, photos and videos allow back. And back to home screen, and open your TikTok app and send message again. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe and like, comment, share now. Thank you.